Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll talk about select case. So in VBA, the select case statement is used to test a variable or expression against a series of possible values. In VBA, the select case statement is used to test a variable or an expression against a series of possible values. Similar to if then else, but it has more of clean way of organizing multiple conditions. The syntax of select statement is here. So your select case expression will be there. So it will evaluate case 1 and case 2 and case else. So if it does not fall in any of these categories, so it will show you in else case, just like if and else. But you can evaluate many values here in case, in select case. That is why it is considered to be more efficient than the if and else. And even if you are using multiple if nested if, I haven't talked about nested if yet, but nested if is something when you write if within the if. So I think select case is more efficient and more readable, and it is making it easier to maintain and modify our code, right? So let's deep dive into the practical stuff. This integer, which is score, and I'll assign the value of integer, say for example 200, right? And I am just evaluating this select case score, right? This is my scope, select case and then and select. Now I'll try to evaluate each one of the keys, right? Keys is less than 100, then in message box less than 100. This is equal to 200, in message box 200. Case else, if none of the above statement is true, so let me run it in debug mode. So if I run it now, so you can see 200, case 200. So it is now evaluating case 200. If case 200, if it is less than 100, so less than 100, but it is not less than 100, it will jump into the next statement. If it is equal to 200, then this message will be displayed. So since it is equal to 200, it will show you this message. If I change the number, say for example 20, so obviously the first statement will get executed because it is less than 100, right? Less than 100. If I put any other number which is maybe the bigger number, 2000, so none of the statement, the case statement will be, none of these statement will get executed because this number neither less than 100 or nor equal to 200. So which statement will get executed? The else statement, this one, right? 2000. Let me show you another example here. Let me put one more variable here, which is grade as in string. So grade, so if it is greater than 90, so it should be displayed like grade A, grade equal to A, right? And if it is between 80 to 90, should display grade B, grade equal to B, right? And then if number is between 70 to 79, right? So grade C. And one more grade, 60 to 69, grade D. Does not fall in any of the case, so it will be like grade fail or something like this, right? And ultimately I'll store this in the grade in message box, the grade which comes Part of case select cases, you can give the, unlike if and else, wherein you have to use logical operator and or, but you can give range here like 80 to 90. You can put b and all, so and so forth. So this is the best part of it, right? Individually you can work on that if you can. So here I've given score as 90, so that it will fall in grade B category, because 90 is 90's range is here, right? So grade B. If I change it to 92, it will obviously be grade 1. And if I change it to 70, 80, so it will be in grade B. If I change it to 70, grade C. If I change it to 60, grade D. And if I make it, say for example 50, so it will be fail. All right. That's how you can play around these numbers through select case. So you have to remember syntax: select case, and then your variable name which you want to evaluate, and then. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful for you, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.